Right now, as you're watching this, there's a hidden power moving through your body that's making your heart beat about 70 times per minute without you even thinking about it. That same power is growing your hair, digesting your food, and healing cuts on your skin while you sleep. You didn't learn how to do any of that. You're not controlling it, yet it's happening perfectly, automatically, intelligently. Now here's the mind-blowing part. Dr. Ernest Holmes discovered that this exact same intelligent power, the force that's keeping you alive right now, can be consciously directed to manifest anything you want in your life. And here's the shocking truth. 99% of people will die never knowing how to access it. But you're about to learn the secret in the next 10 minutes. Don't click away, because what you're about to hear has the potential to change everything. Welcome back to Power of Thought, the channel where we uncover the hidden laws of the mind and show you how to use them to create abundance, happiness, and success. If you're ready to step into your true power, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the teachings that could transform your life. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most revolutionary teachings from Dr. Ernest Holmes, the founder of the science of mind movement in the early 1900s. This man cracked the code on something that mystics have known for thousands of years, but he explained it in a way that modern people could actually use. And I need you to understand something before we go any further. This isn't theory. This isn't wishful thinking. This is a precise, repeatable method that works as reliably as flipping a light switch. In fact, that's the very analogy Holmes used, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why. Think about it. When you flip a light switch, the room instantly fills with light. You're not creating electricity. You're not reinventing the laws of physics. You're simply tapping into a power that already exists. You're directing it for your own purpose. Dr. Holmes taught that there's a far greater power available to you right now. And using it should feel no stranger than flipping that light switch. This power, Holmes explained, is the mind of God itself. And before you tune out thinking this is too mystical, listen carefully. Holmes wasn't talking about a distant deity sitting on a cloud judging your every move. He was describing the intelligent force that animates all of life, the creative principle that flows through everything in existence, including you. Think about gravity. You're not gravity itself, but you live within it. You walk, you sit, you exist inside of it. Holmes said the mind of God works the same way. You're not separate from it. You're living, breathing, and moving within it right now. And just like gravity, once you understand how it works, you can use it intentionally. Here's something powerful Holmes emphasized. The mind of God is already within you, and you had nothing to do with it. You didn't earn it by being good enough. You didn't meditate for years to deserve it. It was already there when you were born. Your heart knew how to beat. Your lungs knew how to breathe. Your body knew how to grow. That's the gift. The intelligence of the universe expressing itself as you. And yet, most of us overlook this completely. We spend our entire lives searching for God, for purpose, for answers. Holmes would say, stop searching. Start recognizing what's already there. Even Jesus hinted at this when he said, "Your Father is delighted to give you the kingdom." Not might give you if you're perfect. Not will give you if you work hard enough. It's already yours. The invitation isn't to earn it. It's to accept it. So if this power is already within us, why do so many people feel powerless? Why do so many struggle to manifest health, wealth, and love? Holmes said the problem isn't finding God's guidance. The problem is accepting that it's already within your mind right now. Most people are trained to think small. We focus on the problem, repeating it over and over. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck. Life is hard. But Holmes taught a different approach. Instead of fixating on the problem, shift your focus to the solution. Change your inner dialogue. Instead of saying, I don't know what to do, say, the divine intelligence within me already knows the answer, and I trust that it's guiding me now. Do you feel the difference? One mindset locks you into limitation. The other opens you up to infinite possibilities. Now let's get practical. How do you actually use this power in daily life? Holmes gave us a clear path. Step 1. Set aside time each day for quiet reflection. It doesn't have to be long. Even 10 minutes is enough. Sit in silence, breathe, and connect with the deeper presence already within you. Step 2. Visualize your life as a gift that's already been given. Not something you're chasing, but something you're unwrapping day by day. Feel gratitude for every layer you uncover. Step 3. Move through your day practicing calm confidence. Act as though you're being guided every step of the way, because you are. Step 4. When negative thoughts arise, and they will, don't let them run your life. Consciously replace them with empowering, solution-focused thoughts. This is the key. The moment you align your mind with the mind of God, solutions appear effortlessly. You're not forcing outcomes. You're allowing them. Here's what Ernest Holmes understood. The same power that holds galaxies together is available to help you with your relationships, your finances, your health, your dreams. Nothing is too small for divine attention because everything is an expression of one life. When you really get this, when you stop trying to make manifestation happen and instead allow what already is to flow through you, life stops being a struggle. Manifestation becomes natural. It becomes inevitable. Because you're not separate from the creative power of the universe. You're working with it. You're one with it. Holmes summed it up simply. The kingdom is at hand. So here's my invitation for you today. Flip the switch. Stop seeing yourself as powerless. Stop believing you're disconnected from the source of all good. Recognize that this divine intelligence is already yours. If this message resonates with you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let's spread this wisdom so more people can awaken to their true power. And in the comments, write, I flipped the switch. That's your way of declaring to the universe that you're ready to live in alignment with divine intelligence. I'm sending you love, light, and the reminder that you are not just learning about this power. You are this power, expressing itself in a unique and beautiful way. Until next time, stay blessed, stay abundant, and keep manifesting the life you're meant to live.